And parliamentarians aren't the only ones earning a sizable salary on the taxpayer's dime. A new survey has found public sector workers earn 12% more on average than those doing similar jobs in the private sector. And as Christina Stevens reports, there's an even larger disparity when it comes to benefits.
It's an oft-heard complaint. Government workers earning too much money.
They are overpaid.
Government workers, they get too much pay. Yeah?
I think there's an imbalance.
A new study by conservative think tank, the Fraser Institute, appears to confirm it. They found on average, public sector employees earn 12% more than their private sector counterparts.
There's a real question about whether we can afford the kind of wage premium and benefit premium for the public sector if we're not going to raise taxes and continue to provide those goods and services to Canadians that they want.
It's not just wages, it's benefits. According to 2011 statistics, 88% of government workers were covered by a registered pension plan, compared to just 24% of private sector employees. Government workers retired on average 2.5 years earlier, and there's better job security, a 0.6% job loss in the public sector compared to just under 4% in the private sector.
Governments have to spine up and start asking government employees to work for the same kind of money that the rest of us do. People have to realize just because they work for government, they're not special and they shouldn't be getting a better deal.
I think they're taking the wrong way of looking at it.
Smokey Thomas says his average union member makes just $32,000 a year. He believes the study's numbers are skewed by the inflated salaries of senior managers, adding that wage disparity in the rank and file is at least partly because of pay equity.
Yeah. Women in public sector jobs are actually paid a fair wage. Women in private sector jobs for comparable work should be paid the same.
On the federal front, the Conservative government says they're always reviewing compensation packages.
The question becomes, how do we as government ensure that the best and brightest are attracted to the public sector?
The Fraser Institute thinks governments should find a way to set public sector compensation by anchoring it to similar private sector positions. Christina Stevens, Global News, Toronto.